What's it like to work with paper records for a QC inspection? It's not great. Why? Because I have to track the number of defects over a whole production run and determine whether or not I've met my AQL. That means flipping between pages and recalculating levels and defect sums by hand. And the inspection table? Don't get me started. When I think of all the time I've wasted crossing out, signing, and dating every unused row, well, it makes me sad. With MasterControl Manufacturing Excellence, the system automatically keeps track of the AQL and the defect sum, so I can view them in one location without having to go back and forth to check. Plus, now I know right away when I'm approaching the AQL threshold, so I can make the appropriate action. As for the rows on the inspection tables, now I can just click a button and add the table rows as I need them. There's no more wasting time on countless NAs on blank rows of paper documents. Yep, I'm happy.